Yes, Ms. Ople.
Kasi po, next week, busy na naman po lahat. Si Nanay Gloria po, sasamahan namin ni Attorney Spacky sa Hong Kong ngayong Sabado para makiusap sa kanyang employer para may trabaho po siya. Wala pa po ako narinig maski sino man sa ating mga kasama sa executive branch. Kung may regret mo man lang po ba, meron po bang pabaon man lang na humihingi ng dispensa sa isang OFW na halata naman pong inosente? Wala po bang magpapabaon man lang ng sorry sa inyo kay Nanay Gloria? Dahil hindi po natin alam, baka hindi po namin alam talaga kung may trabaho pa siya o wala sa Hong Kong. At hindi naman po niya kagagawan to.
Mr. Chairman,
Secretary Abaya?
from the very start, nung nagsalita ako, naniniwala ko wala pong kasalanan si Nanay Gloria at iba pang mga bisita ho natin dito. Dahil, yun lang po, dahil lang
I suppose, Secretary, is it something you want written so that they can present it to the employer? So that, ganun po ba, Ms. Ople?
I think after all that has happened, I think even if she's not asking for it, I mean, lahat po ito nalathala na eh. And
Yes.
in the course of her career, she needs something then to show na the government made a mistake. And she's owed that because she's completely innocent.
Yes, yes. Mr.
Yes,
Secretary?
I do agree. I could write a letter right now, craft it, give it. She could bring it with her. I could personally make a call to her employee. If I could get the number, I'll call the employee. That obviously there are certain lapses and pagkukulang ating pamahalaan. Whatever Nanay Gloria would request me to do, I'll do.
Okay, there you have it. You heard it, ma'am.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Secretary.
Just wanna just a reaction to Attorney Farolan's statement. I don't think I've heard. I'm not always tuning into the media or in the news. I don't think any of our agencies ever said there are no crooked people in our agencies. I mean, just you could see there are 12 people being investigated under ABSE Group. We have taken out 65 people. We have 12 people being investigated as well. Wala akong nagmamalinis dito, and we assure all our OFWs listening that hindi ko kaming mag-atubili. There's no reservation to file cases against airing personnel or terminate them from work, Your Honor.
Okay, that being said, well noted. The hour is late. Anyway, we have achieved something, and we will await the findings, the decision of Secretary Zabaya's study within a week, no, Secretary? Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So again, thank you to the agencies for coming. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa mga resource persons, lalong-lalo na yung mga nabiktima. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo ninyo. To the White family, thank you so much for coming, and we will make sure that the ordeal that you're going through will be ending shortly. Thank you, everyone. Until further notice, this hearing is adjourned.